Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to execute simple Hello World program in Python programming language. For executing any Python program, we just open Python IDE. It is a default IDE for executing the Python code. Select a new script file. Inside the script file, we write a code and execute it. For performing our operation, I just open IDE. Then select a new file by clicking a file menu. Inside the file menu, I select a new file. Then untitled script file is going to open. Inside the script file, I write print hello world. Okay. Then I just save my program. I select one specific directory, that is Python course Udemy. Here I write my file name having extension .py. Click on save button. Now my file name is going to change. Now it's a hello world.py. Previously it was untitled.py. Now it's a hello world.py. Then click on run menu and select run module. We can use a shortcut, that is F5 button. Once my program is going to execute successfully, it generates an output as a hello world. In this way, write a code inside the Python. For writing a code inside the Python, what we do, we just open a Python IDE, select a new script file. Inside the script file, we write a code and execute.